Alright, so this is going to be a quick video showing how to open up and disassemble this ASUS. This is the motherboard version is X55A, and I believe the model number is F55A. It's super tiny -ESJ1. Alright, so apparently screws already missing. This thing's like really old and broken. The customer just wanted me to try recovering data. Let's go ahead and remove the battery first. So there's these two sliders. You slide them outwards. This one locks in place. The other one is spring loaded. Okay, so pull that one out and then hold this one. Once you do that, just get in between the battery and the casing, and then you should be able to pull it out just like that. Alright, the battery model number here is A32-K55. Okay, and here you go. Yep, so the model number is F55A. Okay, so anyways, we don't need to do any more with that. Now we got to remove the hard drive, and I'll probably see the RAM and stuff under there as well. So use a PH1 or JS1 screwdriver to remove the screws from the bottom. Keep the screws in order just in case they're different. Alright, once you remove the screws, you should be able to slide this down. Again, there's one screw there usually, but it's broken. So yeah, or it's missing. Actually, it's not broken. Okay, anyway, slide that down. There's only one slot of RAM here. I don't know if there's another slot inside, but there's one slot here. Pull those tabs to the side. This comes out. And you can see we have this 4 gig PC3 10600S. So you should be able to put any PC3 10600S RAM. Alright, and then you also have access to the wireless card, but this one's so old, I don't think anyone's really, not too many people are going to be working on this model. Alright, then you got the hard drive under here. I don't know if screws are missing from here, but actually there was probably one screw here, then one here and one here. This one comes out with the case. So yeah, I don't know, for some reason the screws are missing. Anyways, let's go ahead and remove the one remaining screw. Once you do that, you should be able to slide this back. Okay, there's a tab here that you can usually use to grab and slide this, but a lot of times that doesn't work well. And this is the hard drive. It's a 2.5-inch SATA hard drive. You can replace it with any 2.5-inch SATA hard drive or SSD. So yeah, let's go ahead and undo the screws here. It looks like there's a couple screws. Normally the screws are on the side, so I don't know what's going on, but the screws are on the bottom of this one. And then once you remove all the screws, so either they're going to be here or on top, once you remove those, you can slide the hard drive out. Okay, so the customer needs me to get their data off here, so I'm going to do that, and then yeah. Anyways, I'll show you guys how to reassemble this. Obviously, you just put this thing back on. Okay, and then we're gonna slide all the covers and stuff back into place. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share my channel with others so that they can learn how to upgrade and repair their devices as well. Alright, start with this back here. Alright, and if it helped you save a bunch of money, please consider contributing a little to the channel. Every little bit helps and allows me to continue making these videos for a living. Alright, if you can't help out that way, it would help a lot if you could watch a few of my other videos and then like and comment on those as well, because that's what the algorithm likes to see. Alright, so you start with this slightly back and then you slide it up. Alright, anyways, oh, don't forget that one screw under there. I mean, there's probably 3 screws on yours. But yeah, anyways, I also have another channel called It's Been Reviewed and More. So if you want to watch those videos or just want to help me out even more, you can subscribe to that channel as well, and that'll help a lot. I need to get 1,000 subscribers on there, which is going pretty slow, but I'm sure it'll eventually happen. Alright, anyways, get that screw, and then the battery, obviously just line it up, slide it in, and then lock this one. This auto locks. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helped. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Alright, let's drop this. Bye.